In this video, we review Libertex and Pepperstone. Have you used Libertex or Pepperstone before? What was your experience? Leave your Libertex or Pepperstone review in the comments section below. Did you know that over 85% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with Libertex? Additionally, Pepperstone boasts an impressive 99.9% fill rate, ensuring rapid order execution for traders. These statistics highlight the critical importance of choosing the right broker for your trading endeavors. Libertex, established in 1997, operates under the regulation of the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. It offers a proprietary web-based platform alongside support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. Traders can access a diverse range of CFDs, including 50 currency pairs, 73 cryptocurrency pairs, commodities, indices, equities, and ETFs. Notably, Libertex provides commission-free trading on cryptocurrency CFDs, appealing to crypto enthusiasts. However, a significant drawback is that 85.9% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider, underscoring the high risk associated with leverage products. Pepperstone, founded in 2010, is regulated by multiple authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. It supports various platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5, CTrader, and TradingView, catering to a wide spectrum of trading preferences. Pepperstone offers competitive pricing with tight spreads and low commissions, making it cost-effective for frequent traders. The broker's impressive 99.9% fill rate ensures rapid order execution, a crucial factor for day traders and scalpers. Additionally, Pepperstone does not impose deposit or withdrawal fees, nor does it charge an account inactivity fee, reducing non-trading costs to near zero. User reviews for Libertex are mixed. Some traders appreciate its user-friendly interface and diverse asset selection, particularly in cryptocurrency CFDs. However, concerns have been raised about the platform's complexity for beginners and the high percentage of retail losses. One user mentioned that while trading with Libertex was comfortable, the platform could be complicated for newcomers. In contrast, Pepperstone receives predominantly positive feedback. Traders commend its fast order execution, competitive spreads, and reliable customer support. The absence of a proprietary platform is noted, but the availability of multiple third-party platforms compensates for this. A user highlighted that Pepperstone is a reliable choice for those seeking a standard set of tools and conditions, though it may seem a bit simple for those desiring unique features. In summary, both brokers have their strengths and weaknesses. Libertex offers a broad range of assets and commission-free crypto trading but has a high percentage of retail losses and may present a steep learning curve for beginners. Pepperstone provides competitive pricing, rapid execution, and robust regulatory oversight, making it a strong contender for traders seeking reliability and efficiency. Prospective traders should carefully consider their individual needs, trading experience, and risk tolerance when choosing between these two brokers.